Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to check out the Salem History database. First thing we want to do is scroll down and select the databases. This is going to take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases we have available. We'll select the S, and then we'll scroll down to Salem History. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please reach out to us through chat, email, or by telephone, and we can help you out with that right away. Once you get in here, you're able to browse a number of different subjects and topics in hand, depending on what interests you or what you're kind of looking for, especially if you don't know exactly what you're looking for. So let's do a search of Florida. We could come in here and search the 50 states, or we can come over here and do a search. So let's do a search through the search box. Kind of a limited area over here to limit the search by at first. But as you can see, it kind of opens up here a little bit more. And then you can see here, we have 518 results, and then we can see that Florida, the 50 states section is right here. So let's go ahead and select that one. That looked pretty interesting. Give it a second to load here. And once you come in here, this is an individual article. You can kind of start to see that on the side over here. Kind of gives you some basic information. As you can come down here, you see the article citation is available. There's 3 different styles that you can grab that in. Remember, those are machine generated, so you'll definitely want to double check them. You can save this article, you can print it, you can save it to Google Drive, you can download it as well. You come down here and you can actually go to the exact specific section of the article that you're looking for. If you have any questions about that, please reach out to us through chat or email, or call us and we can definitely help you out right away. Thank you.